Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick explanation on how you can use Systeme.io. This is useful for creating website, funnels, email campaigns, and managing your online business all in one platform. So, of course, the first thing that you will have to do is either sign in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. So, you do have to make sure that you're on the right Systeme.io website. And once you're here, basically, once you've logged in, you will be redirected to the dashboard. So you will explore tabs such as the funnels, emails, courses, affiliate program, and automations. And you could also create your first funnel by going to the funnel section. So it should be somewhere right here, but it really depends on the layout of your screen. But basically, once you see funnel, you will just have to click create funnel and then select goal, and then the goal could be either collect emails, sell product, or whatsoever. So it really depends on you. And then after that, you could also choose your template. You could select a pre-built template, and then you can customize pages using the drag and drop editor. So they have that kind of editor here. So yeah, anyway, after that, you could also, launch and test by saving the changes, preview pages, and then click launch, and the funnel should now be ready for audience. And yeah, that's how you can start using Systeme.io. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.